Very good. Fifth lesson. What is the fifth lesson name? Look and tell me. The equatorial region. This is the fifth lesson. Yes or no? Today I am going to give you fifth lesson, the equatorial region fair notes. Okay now? Now all of you take your textbook and fair notes. Write with me. Okay Nana? Open the page number 243. Open the page number 243. Look now. In this lesson there are 3 exercises. Okay now. This exercises you have to neatly write in your social fair notes. Okay. First of all, write the lesson name. The equatorial region. That exercise. This is the first exercise. Okay now. Look children, first bit. Read with me. Give 3 answers for each of the following. Give three answers for each question. Now, first question. Read with me. The tribes of the equatorial region raise the following crops. Which crops the tribes of the equatorial region raises in the equatorial region? Give 3 answers, Nana. A. Rice. B. Sugarcane. C. Coffee and cocoa. Next, second one. Read with me. These animals are common in the equatorial forest. Which animals are common? Monkeys, bats, rhinos. Okay, now. Next, third one. The facilities available today in the equatorial region. Which facilities are available in the equatorial region? Transport, education, medical care. Okay, no? Now, next fourth one. Fourth question. Name the minerals of the equatorial region. What are the minerals found in the equatorial region? A. Tin, B. Gold, C. Petroleum. Next, fifth one. Mention the industries of the equatorial region. What are the industries located in the equatorial region? A. Cement, B. Sugar, C. Iron and steel. So, this first bit, Nana, first bit is finished. First bit you have to write in the textbook and in your fair notes. Now see the second bit. Fill in the blanks. First question. The equatorial lies between a dash latitudes. 5 degree north and 5 degrees south. N means north, S means south. Second one. Dash and dash are the 2 characteristics of the equatorial region. Answers are high temperature and heavy rainfall. Next, third one. The dash do not allow sunshine to reach the ground. What do not allow sunshine to reach the ground? Dense forest. Answer is dense forest. Next, fourth one. The dash and the dash are the 2 main tribes living in the equatorial region. What are the 2 main tribes living in the equatorial region? Red Indians and Sakai. Fifth one. The people of dash and dash are civilized. Malaysia, the East Indies. Fifth question answer, Malaysia and the East Indies. Next, seventh one. Next, sixth one. Malaysia exports dash and dash. Exports means send. Okay na? Malaysia exports rubber and tin. Rubber and tin. Next, seventh question. Malaysia produces dash of the rubber in the world. How much rubber in the world? Answer is 1/3. Okay na? 1/3 rubber in the world Malaysia produces. This is the second bit nana. Write neatly in your textbook and fair notes without mistakes. Use blue and black pen. Okay na? Read and write. Now let us see the third bit, question and answers. Look children, third bit. Answer the following questions. Read with me. First question. Describe the climate of the equatorial region. First question answer. In the equatorial region, there is heavy rainfall and high temperature throughout the year. This is the first question answer. Next, second question. What type of trees are found in the equatorial region? What type of trees, Nana? Second question answer. A great variety of trees are found in the equatorial region. Third question. Why is the equatorial region not quite suitable for human habitation? Why people not living there? Why equatorial region is not suitable for people to live there? Answer. The dense forest prevents sunshine from reaching the ground. Hence, these areas remain dark even in the daytime. Fourth question. What are the chief crops raised in the equatorial region? Fourth question answer. Rice, sugarcane, coffee and cocoa. This is the fourth question. So this is the third bit children. Only 4 questions are there in this lesson. So write neatly these 4 question and answers in your social fair notes. And next bit is activities there. Look children, here is a activity. Look children, next bit is activity. You have to do the first activity A. Read with me Nana. Collect pictures of animals and insects of the equatorial region. Paste them in your nature album. First of all, collect the pictures of animals which are found in the equatorial region. Animals and birds and insects. Already this activity I gave as homework. Yes or no? So all the pictures are pasted in the last page of the fair notes. Okay? So all of you do this activity. First of all, write the activity name. Okay, now write the activity name and paste the pictures. In the next class, let us learn about the 6th chapter. In the next class, we will learn about the 6th chapter. Okay.